Problem of the day, June 1st. What is the area of a right isosceles triangle with hypotenuse 2? So an isosceles triangle, which is what I've drawn here, and it's right angle triangle. So there it is, a right isosceles triangle. So now, what exactly is an isosceles triangle? Well, an isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two sides that are of equal length and two angles that are also they're not of equal length, but they're of equal size. So that is what I've drawn here. So in the triangle there, those are the two equal sides. So that's the isosceles part of it. And now we're told it has hypotenuse 2. So what exactly is the hypotenuse? So the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle in a right angled triangle. So that is quite important, and it's a good thing to know because many questions will ask you for that. So there's a right angled triangle. So now let's just do the hypotenuse, which is the remaining side, and we know that hypotenuse 2, so hypotenuse is equal to 2. So now let's redraw the triangle. Sorry, it's not perfect, but it'll do. So we have isosceles right triangle with hypotenuse 2 drawn. So we know that both of these sides are equal, so let's just call them x because we do not know their value. And how are we going to find the area, which is what the question is asking us. So to find the area of a triangle, you just do base times height all over 2. So what is base and height here? Well, we know it's an isosceles triangle. An isosceles right angle triangle, in fact. So base equals the height in this case. And that means, and we've called the base and height x. So there we go. So that's just x times x over 2, or x squared over 2. So now let's find x. Now how do we do that? Well, we can use Pythagoras' theorem because we have one side and we know the two other sides are equal. So, oops, that was a very good triangle, but here we go. This is a little better, not great, but a little better. So, you know, we're getting there. Okay, so let's just label that A, B, and C. But we've actually, A and B in our case are x, as you can see that we've labeled it above, and C is 2. So we have x squared plus x squared equals 2 squared. So x squared plus x squared equals 4. And 2x squared equals 4, because x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. So now we see we have the common factor 2 on both sides, so we divide by 2 on both sides. And we get x squared equals 2. And what is the answer to that? Well, that would be x equals the square root of 2. So, now that we've got x, which is what we needed, we can redraw a triangle. Once again, sorry, it's not perfect, but do what we can. So we have 2, square root of 2, square root of 2. So now to put this to our area formula, we have area equals the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 all over 2, and any square root times itself is just the number. So that's 2 over 2, which is 1. So that means that our answer to the question is 1. So, yes. Answer is 1. There we go.